There is a massive clash in the NDC as a political party. Nininafa appointment Mahama Ediama Rosemond Obeng or ex Baumia personal aide and I said ex Baumia personal assistant. Mahama am on the position as senior presidential staffer. And NDC for food says that Mahama we part a wrong appointment or put them Mako Emma appointment in briefly. Then some of food soldiers aircan and NDC Dr. Mary Awusi and Omo Ababe clash. We a fire. For fire in the NDC party, I Penyah broke media. That's why I need him. Over like video, no other one subscribe button, subscribe to the notification and connect latest updates. Now better know why you their mama ever comment section. That's also Baswa. No should be done for any be action. 80 Enra, and I'm bro, video catch us Rosemond Obeng Enya appointment under Mahama. I was more being crying now or yeah. Baumia personal assistant. Post to making 2022 no terms a Baumia and a share Rosemond Obeng school. And you know and your Baumia and Rosemond Obeng ain't me uncle suku. What I say? But out of nowhere, you ever call about 4 days to election on the 3rd December 2024. And I was more being a quick interview as an interview.
I realized Dr. Baumia lacked leadership. He was not just my boss, he was like a father to me. At a point in time, an incident happened at the office. But I will not go into details now. I won't go into details. But with the approach to that particular situation, I realized it lacked leadership. I realized that.
What was the approach?
His approach lacked boldness, firmness, fairness, and courage.
Really?
And these are essential qualities of any good leader.
But there's a leader who is saying he has bold solutions, for the people of Ghana. You are saying he lacked boldness in taking decisions at his office?
He cannot. I came to the conclusion that with what happened, he's easily manipulated and dictated to.
Really?
It's sad, but people control Dr. Baumia.
Seriously? People
tell him what to do. And it's sad that a leader will not have an opinion of his own. It's sad.
This is the vice president.
That was just 4 days to election. I got to be say Baumia Elusi and this about power. Actually, was a commission Enra and a pop up on the internet, a post here, Ghana with Emiki, and Yan said that Rosemond Obeng or Baumia's personal aide. Mahama Aman position, Mahama Aman appointment as senior presidential staff. I say the president staff on the senior most on the Emeda Omunina Anno. Emma appointment by no. And is the full suggestion and not be broken as Omubu Efu, Eki can be Edemane. Emma MP before the crab defense said there be any power not on MP ni.
Ebusia, it's high time political parties you fish all spies in your friends and in your offices. It's high time. Ebusia for the entire make us and me be video be about lady be an appointment Rosemond Obeng. This lady or that Miss Baumia time your fan a jumem and or reception or year chuma with Baumia office. Few weeks to the election and no switch call NDC and no better GH1 can Dr. Baumia can never be the president in Ghana. Not knowing say MPP are buying not lady way your man appoint your friend is not no reception and no your mama Dr. Baumia. Now you lady switch call NDC own 2 years, own 5 years. President Mahama man appointments as a presidential senior staffer. Sister, on the minister, minister chief V8, a lady in super chief V8. Not just that this lady was a spy in a friend saying a MPP. This is Rosemond Obeng. President Mahama Mano, a friend is saying appointment. Not just a footsoldiers for now, a Diomokara control polling station, and shape a friend is saying, and poor ballot boxes no buy no. Just say you forget your. Political parties, it's high time you wake up. It's a wake-up call for political parties, whether MPP or NDC. People will work and sacrifice their life. Now, we do a bear man, not just about forgetting them. NDC footsoldiers will move for funo. Lady, where your banner, we are on your 2 years, on your 5 years, on your 3 years, your man appointment. No, be so political party, we couldn't want a political party, not political party, the local opposition. Now, the kukra when you be. Political party is a wake up call. Or be or yes, spy war appointment, or yes, spy war government. More fish your mouth, and I'm on your free. This lady said one of them, no, your spy were MPP. This lady, no, your spy were MPP. Ya can't say Mienka, NDC footsoldiers, no, say you may jam. I say, eh, ya, we be kwa year juma. Na within few weeks to election, no be joining or be joining ma, must say President Mahama, Mama appointment. Oko can, it's a Mienka.
What I say, now our MPP party anymore. Say we gather information. Ediama NDC for dinner so Edia Horobaumia. She was just an informant. Now if I say one of grassroots in air cannon go for Mahama. And Dr. Mary Awusi, our Ghana Free Zone Authority CEO, Mahama Emma this appointment on 24th February 2025. All local TV experts in the honor and we can say now more full soldiers in a mogeking. More Rosemond or Beno, who may dream about my NDC. Fine. It was just 4 days to election. Honorable joining the party, but near more they better party the facts, any other better party. And can't one appointment to marry in election. It's Bunya more an appointment the all deserve it.
Me can't say to webinar media so it's about Rosemond appointment. And he said the enco for a casawa home. Mr. Munya Apotre. Some of these appointments, munim the rationale behind it.
Yes. An appointing authority.
Rosemond girl no. And some of the Bible on granting interviews. My office no be the bar first.
I remember. Wow. I remember. You called me on that day. When I didn't bar. That was on the 3rd December 2024.
Na me ankasa
4 days to election.
After 8 years in opposition, now you are so desperate to save Ghana.
Yeah.
Ghana ba me hono. I asked her this question. Are you sure you want to do this? Was madam say my life you be kumi krana.
Wow.
Change of power ba. Na Bawumia pa be president. It mean
the secretary.
What you say?
Wow.
Me na me girl no platforms, media platforms was starting your kasai. Now and some now was starting share go me office where you say go buy him. O kasa na me ho popo. Na me suro nsam ni bi.
Because na me suro ma no.
Na me suro nsam ni bi na life. It's that day now we buy ya obeka answer ne chem ne mama na nda ni fie. Me na me ya arrangements man ne ko hu. Your brother Ibrahim Mahama.
Wow.
Ibrahim Mahama na pay baby man try because now we were so scared to say we say MPP na not we
keep it ruthless.
What you say?
Ruthless.
It is I get away and new man what in life I am. Yeah, man a ministerial appointment.
That's presidential staff.
Presidential staff. For all you know, it become a new office.
Oh.
Most of the presidential staff they don't even have their own offices.
True.
Intimate ye nyina ye chobo baby no chobo ne be die
risky.
You manipa.
What you say? Sa kola we say enyoma wo ye me say me na me start man platform e me de say Mugabe who can me refinka me
she came here we all listen.
Ni fa ne de ne ba me office no I thought maybe MPP for asoma so me rayi mu na e bia wo me pay ye meme ibi ni omo nko de dan ko twitwa the naked pictures in my point. You know we had that information said during the election time no na MPP 4 years annual man into obaye no na me hwe no with 2 eyes.
Check the date on the flyer.
What you say? Into obaye no it took her about 3 meetings for her to be able to convince me before I man start
3rd December. Rosemond Obin, former National TESCON coordinator and PA to Dr. Bawumia campaign office.
Personal assistant.
Wow, 1-on-1 with Mugabe. That was 30.
And you might get ratio good from any information our them my
a boy.
Now
my office is going to me respond.
Bawumia office and to me respond
to any of it.
A boy want to say they slappy will be say no money super
be a deep.
Now somebody be a deep. And money be a why and to me for and
yeah.
Social media.
Check my messages to you on that day when I was telling you that.
What you say?
You just slow down. Because the answers, yeah.
Mesremo, ebia o ye newcomer. But the information of the bar last minute no.
Boy, in a Kelly game no kura.
A Kelly game no.
Yeah. You're holding it to say yen bar.
Wa ba yen fa no, yen gino. Sa na ye gini pa. Yen gino. Ye yen sa anso a ebe ma afofo.
Yeah.
Ebe attracting kofo. Abeka ye ho na enye easy oni kunu woni ne sister ketwa ba ko pese e na neti enti the day oba me ho no me se e che me ne ye 3 meetings ansa na me ye convince say why ready say ope ba bonten abe ye de oye Even it took the intervention of Yenyankasaye General Secretary, Honorable Fifikwete.
Yeah.
You know the role she played. Even
what you say?
It was very short.
I know, convincing him. Say, okay, let's give her the opportunity. So I am ready. So Beba out. Ababa candy or person or Canada. I am on a platform. And so I made see I say start a man on media platforms. And you more what be brave, no. And you didn't the Bible.
Sir.
Yet be here, Juma.
Sir.
And to me, who say about last minute. Your uncophobia or what? Or more about last minute.
Better late than never.
Better late than never. Men so len sama or the buy, no. Na ebia na a mood na ebwa. He's in his own wisdom, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. The biameka.
On your appointment,
on your appointment,
say Dr. Kalisu Sana Honorable Jolo.
What you say? On your appointment, kwa. Ebia wo de my no nkyerese won kai wa na say onu de wo betimi aye. But there are some appointments or ye no strategic.
Yeah. It's important.
So ebia wo nya akwanya ne na tena se a. No what kire wo de ntia or yes appointment na.
Ebia obi kwa da social office bia wonim de ntia.
Ebia no obi kwa so she ba bia wonim de ntia wo hye. Enye chobo nkwa na winning elections. David. It's far from that. Enye chobo hey. Enye no nkwa na de winning elections. Ente bia wutimi tie mu kese chobo ya. Who say there are more to that chobo before you can win elections. To me dem asem ba wie the make NDC for community ne say especially omo ye adwuma with various institutions. Omo expectations from government appointees is too much. Mrafom na mama your time na you be deliver. We will make you proud.
Or deserve the appointment. No more. Ana fuzo say he ha. Dr. Awusi, eze na keken. When you are there, ana wo be say ma police, ana wo enjoy. Ana ye mo dey say ye dey enkwasi afo. Wo say kemi tire ne mu so no. Aberepla Dr. Awusi, ake kemi pa dey atire no.
Abusha lady na asem me yesa ka me nka biem. Lady na asem me yesa ka me nka biem. Rosemond no bion san wan. Na asem ka me yesa ka me nka biem. But I just watched an interview from the CEO for Free Zones, Madam Mary Awusi. Auntie Mary, with the greatest of respect, you could have spared us with that interview now in Mugabe here. Because me who bab on ten, I thought Senka will be calm on nerves. So grassroots munya butcher, yes, sir. MDSCB and Mode Mufanche, we are on it. No what Catania Maso now call. Who be justify appointment no? Who justify Rosemond or be appointment no? With Mugabe, Mercy. Uni Mugabe Mercy on SYZ. Mo justify say grassroots in the the yeka. Grassroots in the omoka. You are trying to defend. Okay? Mama Mary. So one can say appointment in our person dig you out. We can dig you down so that you know your smoothness level. Say ordinary life on the line. Only more normal life war on the line in 2024 election. Boy no war boaseno. Onya one-on-one confrontation with the party in power. Soldier ni kretuo, the boys snap or G2 snatch the gun from the military officer. That guy could have been fired at any second or so. On the life was on what? Me personally, I brought no more ballot staffing. I was St. Louis Training College. I found out me and Kasa small boy with me investigation. I realized they were doing ballot staffing. I reported to the necessary authority. A day and Nanabi, Henry Nanabuachi, Esman a tax to come after me during election day. Near the two Shishame. You buy your office, party office, peace in your office. Honorable Jamfua Monu office no. Any pegu office when I yes sa na police forces with the military forces. Omo piki obia to Zongo police station during election day. On election day, omo ba na me jamming. On election day, me jamming. Osi a man for the omo. The girl put her life on what? On the line. Which line? Which line? And penophobia fair back door. Say my young kasa. Yenye din yemu ya ningu no. So return. Nanke ye full sen kadi na wu. Yamanada. Go and watch Kevin Taylor page. I bro post it say Nanabi mo ye ballot stuffing. We stopped it. We gave out the information. Ballot in 19 years. No money 2 HAC me on election day. on election day. Some of you may think say yeah kasa wa hakeke. We do groundwork. Mamu share before. Mamu share before. We are CEO, we are director of free zones. We respect that. We respect that. And sisa your friend say and chinyo say netiem we garim allow us to breathe. No being justify Rosemond being appointment and I am a darling guy, darling girl. Fine, you can give her appointment, nobody cares. I am on a appointment and I'm more check Callistos money when I'm watching my appointment. Fine, when I'm a penny for we cannot say anything. Yet mean can be brave. But men be defending on the media, trying to justify say or no dear than a life to a line. Now your life now him. Yeah, life now for 3 weeks. I was moving from hotel to hotel to hotel to hotel. Mama, yes, sir. Mama, yes, sir. Yes, sir. The next time I'm going to put my campaign, I'm pray. You don't do that.
Welcome to the NDC. Oh, fine, Bob. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Papa. Oh boy, Juma. But me and could be in Chirao. The grassroots are not happy with you. She, a Jumana oh body a Ghana for anybody, but me can't crash it. Say, oh grassroots no, mafia. And that is an honest truth that you can't tell. We are not going to miss words. A nipa na show office one omu taking care of appointment. Be a appointing near bed scrutinizing the adena. Omu make appointment for a phone of late. We are telling you. Grassroots in any abri, and we are telling you what we are hearing from the grounds. Hey, umbekama so time. Namudi amontina ho, na mama mutiri munyamode. Live with the complacency. Muba bomb nsema mam grassroots no kurumwa. To say all of a sudden, ye pesi a chere NDC for say the entire NDC party mimu nyina yenya obi a was sacrifice more than Rosemond. Why no? Is that what you are telling us? Now, Uko can't be my say, and I was sacrifice it. Then people will be calling you back door say, and I will be a Mamunkasa Semno, and was sacrifice. Or sacrifice the chair. Why? Obia what the previous administration moved 7 good years. Mostly what the 1 year not sacrificing, you don't know 1 year now. Mahama and we need election. Is that what you are telling the NDC grassroots? Sasa Mamoka Chiromo. Say, Jumano Muye Yenin in action. Say, yes, I'm 1 year now. Or snatch it by Umiana. And can NDC come win election? Any part of was saying what NDC party anymore. Or Muntimin senior presidential staffer. Maybe you people don't get the office now occupying. Senior presidential staffer is more than a minister. Yakas will be a senior presidential staffer. He is more than a minister. I'm telling you. Or Yabeman V8. I'm an saloon can the basic salary will be more than 50,000 Ghana cedis monthly. Open so say NDC ni be no one sacrifice chance again na obetima occupy that position. Kamodie ye tufu ye ntu shebere ye ka mo beka say boys no o mate agu social media no he ye ka no kura chem ye mpe obi asa ye na emum ye kire wo kwan awia no amfa so edura nyime na obu say kane ye nya bi ma he mo be bre basa the grassroots mo me mo say wasem edi enti na Excellency John Dramani Mahama wo wankasa wa on very flashy programs be 3 no free stress policy hwan any 24-hour economy any sika will release the accord district assembly and nobody is talking about it. The people are angry with you. Ghana for born say you yodium mama nka kire o your MPP ni typical MPP no to abama o party no floating voters ne nko ato now grassroots ni di kan dis omu ye disadvantage to your party wo vu ye kan no kra kire mu na hwe se mu di agro na mo kofo ma your downfall no mo be bom nsema ma mu party yet one ye hwemu di yet kuromu ha say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama obi a wo win power na airport company no e da so share previous government appointee in service ne on a handle airport Ghana airport company and on call for na kasa ba akum yenu yes o ma ye din mo de mo ma Callistos mo ntena office wo no mo ni nsem hunu ha de o mo ye bia we know it's on paper everything is in the cameras de o mo ye bia some of us we know Callistos mo ntena office of the president o na mo ni nsem hunu so wo nye campaign Callisto's platform ben a wood and so I campaign. Don't mess with us. Don't mess with us. Medium ben a way campaign. But you are occupying position and you are also misbehaving there. And it's excellent John Dramani, my own person such a catcherano. Catcherano. Said the grassroots are angry. Catcherano. Yeah, that's what I say. FDA, Food and Drugs Authority, NPP in the that's what kind of behavior is that? And you think say your grassroots will be happy? You think say your grassroots will be happy? And me no what do a campaign. I bought more dear to 2 and I'm going to see your man. It's exchange of Dramani Mama, your second coming. I come on. Yeah, I can't want some. Oh, possess anybody to go me up. Nanka man, this if one call occupy position, Yanka say a chain, and this new economy, the men be cracker is loud double. Was serving previous administration 7 years. Or 7 how many years? 4 years. You yate. We are here. Now, mom who so me can't check grassroots in say, Munkotom message. Mobasuma Sagas now, Momacoton. Sagas, no, yodium, now you can be a Muslim to the office of the president. You tell them to go and send the message. Mo market on the wall. You people, Muba Brebasa. Hey, you're too full. You can't walk grounds to Cheremo. You're moving your grounds, you can't walk grounds to Cheremo. Mudia Mopa Munim watching ye. And the Amoyan, a best half Samu Nipana, Mopesa within the bass flag bearer, and you cannot crack a best Hano. A best Hano. Sadiana Moyana grassroots Nicasa Muntieno. Grassroots in a book for a mon fahono. A best Samu Nipano. And the rippling effect will be very heavy. You can't crash them. So, Munim, dear Yamama, Saga, and Munim free office, and Mamun, yes, I mistake the cry. Now, you do a bias and wine. I could deputize your Kufuado appointee. FDA, my minute that's what a month for be that is a vital positions are mean national appointment being appointed by the president. And you are telling your people say they should come down. No man, no man send them for Tanom, their quantity party, no. Once a traitor, always a traitor. We are telling you. Said you will betray, will be the man. I'm only sent to a year. Her life was at risk, and I want one more case and women and some furniture. Wouldn't be any more near Tiasan. Do you know the risk we took to campaign for this party? More Bianca and some women in Kroma. Second war, one, her life was at risk. And the other day, what should we do? Wouldn't be part of my sacrifice for partner to do state no Muslim life was at risk. Obiana Yabi. Netianity and Canada Sabontizo for Mefankodi. Send this if one Mumu Pono. And Omonka Obia student politics from Tescom time. Most of 1 year, pet, we're joining a party into mom and position. We are here, we live to see.
Throughout your mama, our comment session, how you Penyah Media.